Here we are with this cascadia crank star. I'll be jumping here. Low side pressure, 12 psi. That should be enough to get it running. Real pressure, 66. Bumps to 50 on the low 50s, high 50s, and the desired. Let's see what happens. It's not reaching the pressure. So I think this high pressure pump is going bad. It's getting weak because it will run for a little bit, and as soon as it gets hot, it will not start anymore. So I'm just gonna recommend a high pressure pump. But before we're doing that, we're gonna check the fuel pressure sensor on the rail and check valve on the rail too in the back and see what it does.